Hi, firstly, thank you to the Bengal Chamber of Commerce for giving me this honor. The Lifetime Achievement Award, I'm told it's for the first time given by the Bengal Chamber of Commerce, and I'm extremely proud and happy to receive it, being the first recipient of the award. It's the International Women's Day as well on the 8th. I'm extremely disappointed that I could not be present personally to take the award because I have to attend the World Cricket Committee meeting in Bangalore, and the committee consists of administrators and players from all over the world. It happens twice a year. So this time it's in India on the 8th and 9th. Coincidence, I don't know why. Something happens when I turn up for Bengal Chamber of Commerce. Last time I had to cancel on one of my functions which I was supposed to attend to be a part of the lecture series, which I thoroughly enjoyed and enjoyed the people who watched it. But this time it's beyond me because it's a World Cricket Committee meeting, and people are coming from all over the country, all over the world to be a part of the meeting. I'm told that the first recipient of the Ratnagarbha Award 5 years ago was my mother. I was a little surprised when I heard that because I would have actually fallen off from my chair if somebody would have told me my mother would have actually gone and received the award, because it's very difficult to take her out of home, and more so in front of cameras taking an award. I thought it was next to impossible, but I was told that it's me who went there to receive the award on behalf of the mother and of my mother, which I thought was the only thing possible for my mother to receive the award. But nonetheless, I congratulate the Bengal Chamber of Commerce for starting this. I'm the first one, and I'm sure there's going to be many more after this. The state has produced a lot of wonderful and successful personalities from various fields, whether it's sports, whether it's culture, whether it's administration, whether it's politics. And I'm sure the Bengal Chamber of Commerce, being such a high-profile organization, will identify the right people over the next few years and make everyone proud. And more importantly, I would say identify and recognize eminent Bengalis or people from Bengal. I just wouldn't say Bengalis. People from Bengal recognize their contribution to various aspects of life, because this is a great city. This is a great city, and it has produced very successful people over a long period of time. And I believe it's time for recognition now, time for recognition to all those who have contributed and made this city proud all around the world. So once again, thank you. Once again, congratulations. And I hope this ceremony will be a huge success. As I said, once again, I would have loved to be present there. I will miss it. I will miss the function. I will miss the grandeur. And as I said before I finish, I hope it's a grand success.